Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Leon and Charizard. Awesome Pokemon characters. Hey Wiggy, thanks for your suggestion and I hope you like the video, mate. I hope you guys can follow along as I show you how to construct, refine, and then color Leon and Charizard into a completed drawing. I've started with some construction lines first to map it in and get all the proportions looking good. Now is the time that we can start to add the details, and I'm going to do that by using a mechanical pencil. You get some nice crisp lines and you can still rub it out, but it's also good for manga drawing, which this is. Okay, so there's the top of his hairline there coming around, so this can just come out from that side. His hat, and you can still see that I'm sort of just loosely mapping it in. When we get to the pen, that's when you can refine it. So that's his fringe, and then he's got some other bits. Now with these types of drawings, there's a lot of angles and a lot of slight curves that you've got to try and get good at. These are almost like little teeth, like shark teeth, or little wave curvy lines, like so. And his nose was going to come out like that, and a little bit there. He's got his mouth, big smile. And then he's got eyes, that one eye there. He's actually got his eyes closed. They might have just won a battle and are happy, or they're just chilling. They've got really, when you're doing manga drawing, nice sharp pointy chins. He's got these little bits here. Okay, now that I've got his face, and that'll look better when I colour it in and go over it with marker pens as well. We have a W sort of like zigzag pattern on his hat. And then we've got his arm. So I'm comparing. So where his hair, he's got this part of his hair, and then he's got more hair coming out like this. So that's all hair as well. Then he's got hair coming out like this. So see how I'm flicking that out. And then flicking that one out. A lot of curved lines. Practice drawing these types of effects if you want to become a good manga drawer. Now manga's the drawing or the books of, and then anime are the Japanese movies. That's why I'm just calling it manga. Okay, now he's got this sort of like fluffy sort of collar here. So I'm just still putting that on. And then on the other side. And that goes over his arm sleeve. So his arm, I'm actually going to bring his arm out a bit more. And that's like a curve. Then his elbow. Then bring that up like that. So that's his elbow just there. Now he's got a wristband on, like a sweatband should I say. And then he's got his hand coming up. Little bump. A couple of bumps like that because he's got his fingers folded down, one finger folded down. And the other finger folded down like so. And then he's got two fingers coming out. One, two fingers. And then that curves up and around for his thumb. Now a great new feature of YouTube is you can zoom in on the videos now, so you can have a bit more of a closer look at how I did those hands. Remember, the more you practice your hands, the better you'll get at them. And this curve of the belly of Charizard comes down there, comes around, and then it's going to come back around there. Now, so I'm just concentrating on Leon first because he is at the front of the picture. So he's got this sort of like collar sort of thing there. Now he's got this cool sort of shield looking thing on the front of him. So let's draw some of that. And you can see that I've changed it up a bit. He's got this shield. I'm going to just draw this shield on because you can see a lot of the shield. And the blue bits come out to the edge of that shield. Hope you're doing a good job with your drawing. I'm sure you are. I'm just going to put some music on and speed up the video. Remember, you can slow it down and pause it where you need to.